Hours later.
Will you lead me to paradise? Alright, y'all. Wait, I'm gonna need to put my phone down. This is about time where I get my tripod up. Welcome to my Atlanta vlog. What is that? Perfect. I gotta take my case off forever.
Nah, all
Y'all, I haven't seen this man in so freaking long.
Y'all gonna see me 24 hours. Y'all gonna be like, who the fuck?
I don't even know what we're doing in Atlanta.
I got 2 kids on the way chilling.
Man, that ain't nothing, bro. Don't make me ring up my shit, bro.
Yeah, I don't know what we're doing here for real, but we got a spot out here and just stay tuned. Honestly, like whatever's gonna go down is gonna go down.
Make sure y'all drinking your water. Stay hydrated and drink your water.
Drink your water. Y'all, I just took the best nap in the car. And yeah, we're on our way to the B&B, but we had to make a quick Walmart stop.
Yes, you needed that.
Freak these, boy.
Hey yo!
Okay. I need to get some flip-flops, y'all. I literally had to order stuff mad last minute and only like 4 out of the 5 things came in. So yeah, my flip-flops did not come in, so I need to get some right now. go. Come on. There we go.
Niggas not about to tell me that he paid 200.
It is a beautiful morning, y'all. Right? Are you not used to me vlogging?
No, yeah. Yeah, but like, it just started out of nowhere.
Yo, he's not used to me being a YouTuber, y'all. Not just yet, but we out here.
Yes, we are out here on a beautiful fucking morning.
Yes, yo, like the views out here is so crazy. It just feels so nice. Like, are you kidding me? I did my makeup. I don't even know what we know one of the things we're doing today. We're gonna go see a family member of my friends, but we're really just out here for the vibes. Like,
Yeah.
we really don't have nothing planned. That's why I told y'all, like, y'all just gonna have to see whatever this video turns out.
We needed the vacation, that's what it was.
Yeah, we really did need just something to do. So that's what we're doing. We're doing that something now. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna get back to y'all when we are doing something more fun. Oh no, we should show them the food.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when our Bojangles come, you never had Bojangles, right? It's your first time too?
Yeah.
You did have it or no?
I had it, well, I only had the biscuits, so. No,
Oh, well, yeah, I never had it. He basically never had it either. So if you guys have had Bojangles, put me onto your orders because I really didn't even know what to get from there. But is that our driver?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shoot. That's literally our driver, y'all. Hey.
Gotta love Atlanta.
Okay, so Andre got a steak biscuit sandwich. He got a strawberry lemonade. I got the Bojangles like sweetened iced tea, tenders, fries, biscuit, 2 more biscuits, but these are the blueberry biscuits. Apparently they're really good. My girlfriend been telling me to try it. And then I got the Bo's special sauce, and I wanted to try this peach honey pepper sauce. So we're gonna see what it's giving. How's your sandwich?
Shit, I don't know yet.
Oh, wait, you didn't taste it?
No,
Oh, the fries are good? Oh, let me see about these fries.
Yeah.
Only
nice
thing,
and salted.
they're not, like, if you're, like, a crispy person, because, like, I be needing a lot of my food, like, crispy. So my fries have to be, like, extra crispy. These are not crispy, but
No, it's not crispy.
they're good, though. Ooh, I could fake put them in the oven. I might just do that, because, yeah. Yum. I just tasted the biscuit on FaceTime with my girlfriend because she wanted to see me try it. But this right here, bro. Oh, like, I don't think I've tasted a biscuit that tastes better than this, honestly. 100 out of 10. Like, if you're gonna get Bojangles, get the blueberry biscuit, I'm telling you. But I'm gonna try these sauces. I have both of them open. This is the honey pepper. I think this is hot because this says like pepper on it in red. Ugh, I'm scared. I don't like spicy stuff, but I'm gonna taste it with a fry first. This is the regular Bo special sauce, whatever. Okay. It definitely has mayo in it. You like mayonnaise?
I don't know.
What? Why do people not like mayonnaise? Like, I love mayonnaise. Anything I put mayonnaise on, like, I put extra. Yeah, it tastes like mayonnaise and other seasonings. I don't know. Yeah, I'm scared for this one. It looks red. Oh my gosh, okay.
Good.
Hold up. It kind of tastes like duck sauce. It's sweet. I like sweet sauces with my chicken because I love like sweet and savory. Yeah, this is good. Yo, this chicken is so good. These actually might be the best chicken tenders I've had. I'm so serious. Like, it's not even that. Oops. It's not even that I'm just hungry, y'all. Like, this is really, really, really good. Well, I'm gonna try the iced tea next. Also, I think I was gonna say I like the peach sauce better with the chicken more, but I don't know. I'm kind of questioning that now. I like them both the same. They're both really good. Yeah. All right, let's try this iced tea. It just tastes like regular tea, like real homemade type iced tea, but it's really good. Can't complain. It don't taste nothing extravagant, but all right, I'm gonna eat now because I'm so hungry. I'll get back to y'all when I'm done.
You ever seen Dance the Menace? You tell me they don't have Disney in Senegal. That's not what I said. Then what are you?
Hey y'all, we are hiking today. Yo, like, you're really a hater, bro. He's gonna get me tight. He's like this close to getting me tight because he wanna make fun of me being a content creator. Don't know why. It's not even funny though. But I got on a little, y'all, it wasn't even a good idea honestly for me to wear black, but I have this cute little black short sleeve like bodysuit on, my little bag with my camera, water. Oh my god, it's so hot in freaking Atlanta right now.
This nigga is crazy.
You can take a ride up here and walk back.
Oh, I'll be there.
You can go, I mean, you can ride up and down it. Oh, so it come down.
Yeah, look, so boom skis, right? Head on the bottom.
Yep.
Right, bang. Tilt over.
Man.
Yo, look how beautiful. I think I'm about to take some pictures right here. Also, guys, these were not the shoes I originally had on with this fit, but I'm about to put the ones on that I originally had on. I'm about to put them on for the pictures. So I'm gonna show y'all.
Hey man, we just reached halfway up the mountain. Stopped over here to, do a little picture taking, some photography here. Got her getting ready over here. Yeah man, I'm over here vlogging, being a YouTuber and shit.
Chat.
And we're back.
And we're back. So right now we're at the top of the mountain. Well, we're not at the top. We just had to make a stop. We're about halfway there to the top. We're gonna make a stop and we're about to take Jay's pictures. At talking with a slur.
Show them my fit.
Look at her fit.
This is the fit. These are the shoes.
She trim. Ain't she trim, y'all? Ain't she trim?
I'm about to roll down this in.
When
Like,
have you ever seen
The
active
goddamn
dilation?
mother. Did Y'all don't got these.
They're so cute, but y'all, they literally are like a half size too small, so that's why I'm changing, because I'm not about to hike up here with these uncomfortable shoes. So.
Tell them, girl.
But yeah, we about to take some pictures, so be right back.
Hey man, a little insight here. Whenever you guys are hiking, make sure you guys have like 2 granolas, a full bottle of water. It could be cold or room temp, doesn't matter. And make sure you guys have a group of friends, you know, because hiking can get boring sometimes. And also, if your significant other is not up to par, airplane that phone. Or airplane that phone. All right? That's the option right there. It's no response. Because sometimes you can't get angry everywhere, you know? Like a hike, you can't get angry everywhere, all right? Because a hike, you gonna end up walking fast and shit, then start getting out of breath, drinking all your water, and now you dread. You're 3/4 of the mountain dread, all right? So just yeah, keep those stuff in mind when you guys are hiking, all right? If by any chance you can't find anyone to go with, always take some music, all right? Music is a person in itself, okay, brother? Yes. If you guys, you know, have any addictions, like, you know, smoking and stuff like that, try your best not to do it before you hit the mountain, because that can affect your breathing. It can affect your anxiety, you know, because mountains are very high and you guys can feel like you guys are about to fall. It's the truth. So just aim to not smoke beforehand, all right? And yeah, always support your friends, guys. Look at them. It's so inspirational.
Okay, we're basically almost done, right?
Yeah.
How you feeling?
How am I feeling? I'm feeling good. I got some great pictures, y'all, and yeah.
Oh yeah, how you feeling?
I'm agitated, but not because of the mountain though.
Oh, okay, so true. How you feeling?
Feeling great, man.
It's honestly not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So here we go, getting my cardio in. Yeah. Oh my god, climbing up this this big freaking hill. I'm almost there. But it is so much steeper than it freaking looks, okay? Yo, it is literally pouring out here. Oh my freaking god.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you.